Hello there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Manika and today we'll be discussing the basics of anatomy. The introduction to anatomy, the basic words, the important words that you see in every chapter in anatomy. So this is what you're supposed to know before you start with anatomy. First we'll look into how the word anatomy was derived. Not exactly how, like the word it was derived from. And then we look into the systems in our body. And then we look into positions and then we look into planes. So it's divided into 4 topics. So let's start. So the word anatomy is derived from anatome, and this means dissection. That's all about it, the first topic. Now the second topic is systems. I've used the mnemonic V SMARN. So V stands for, okay, it's all VSMARN. V stands for vascular system. This is skeletal system. This is muscular system. This is articulatory system. This is respiratory, digestive, urogenital, and also endocrine system. And N stands for nervous. So you study about vascular system in angiology, about the skeletal system in osteology. So vascular system, angiology, skeletal system, osteology, muscular system in myology, articulatory system in arthrology, respiratory, digestive, urogenital and endocrine in planknology, and nervous in neurology. Now the next point is about positions. So positions are divided into 4. The first one is anatomical. The second one is supine. Third one is prone, and fourth one is labotomy. Anatomical is a standing straight position with your eye and palm facing forward. Supine is lying on your back and then your palms are facing upwards. Prone is you're lying on your chest. Labotomy is like the position during the delivery of a baby. The fourth and the last subtopic is planes. There's basically 6 major planes. The first plane, median or mid-sagittal plane. The second one is sagittal plane. The third one is coronal plane. The fourth one is transverse plane. The fifth one is oblique plane. And the last one is cardinal plane. There's another important topic too. It's a subtopic. You just have to know about it. About flexion, extension, adduction, abduction, all the important joint movements. So this is extension and this is flexion. This is adduction and this is abduction. This is also adhesion and this is flexion. This is flexion, this is adhesion. So adhesion is more like opening, leaving it open, and then holding something is flexion. That's easier to remember. And abduction is like You abduct somebody. So you take away somebody from the rest of the family. So that's abduction, and this is adhesion. You stay close to the family. So that's it. Thank you.